everybody. So we are still in a wind advisory right now, and it is pretty cold, and we are going to get some snow. So, yeah, so this is my neighborhood, really cold. So you can see there's big leaves back here. It is really cold out here, and it's cold. It's October 24th today. I forgot to my video. It is about 3:30, and yeah, and it's really cold out here, so I'm just don't but so, and there's still a wind advisory, so just look for that up there. Yeah. So let's go into weather stuff. We're still gonna get a lot of different weather, and yeah. Just see you for that. Bye. Bye.